Welcome to This Explainer. Let's dive right into the absolute oldest man-made structures in the Americas.
And when I say ancient, I mean it. We're going back a staggering 11,000 years.
That actually makes these structures way older than both the Egyptian pyramids and Stonehenge. But we aren't in Egypt or England. These ancient marvels sit right in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Even wilder, they're hiding in plain sight, right on a modern SEC college campus at LSU. Every single day, oblivious college students walk right past these ancient giants on Dalrymple Drive. So you might be wondering, what actually forms these massive, ancient campus mounds? Well, they aren't just dirt. They're meticulously engineered from burned reed ash and charred mammal bones. The builders carefully stacked these exact materials in deliberate layers over thousands of years. It's like a giant puzzle. This precise timeline reveals an epic story of human endurance. But then, around 8,200 years ago, a severe, sudden climate shock hit the region. This brutal cooling event lasted 160 years, causing total abandonment of the mounds. Yet, incredibly, 7,500 years ago, the ancient builders returned to this exact spot to rebuild. By 6,000 years ago, they purposely aligned the completed structures directly toward the star Arcturus. Today, these astronomical wonders are, of course, protected on the National Register of Historic Places. Incredible research led by LSU professor Brooks Elwood finally uncovered these absolutely staggering architectural details. His definitive findings were ultimately published in Yale University's super prestigious American Journal of Science. So I'll leave you with this. What unrecognized ancient history are you walking past every day?